In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change default settings in Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the options that control how your PDFs open, display, and behave, so your workspace feels consistent every time. Start by opening the application on Windows. Go to the Edit menu and choose Preferences. If you prefer a quicker route, press Ctrl+K to open the same window. You'll see a panel with categories on the left and settings on the right. We'll walk through the key areas you are most likely to adjust. Begin with Page Display. This is where you set the default view and zoom, which determine how documents appear the moment you open them. If you want a page-by-page experience, choose Single Page. If you like smooth scrolling through long documents, pick Continuous. For zoom, Fit to Width is great if you want the page to fill your screen horizontally, while 100% shows the document at its actual size, which is helpful for precise layouts. Choose a combination that matches your typical reading or reviewing workflow, so every file opens the way you expect. Next, go to General. These options shape day-to-day behavior, including basic tools and file handling. If you are on a high-resolution display or using a touch screen, enable touch mode to increase button sizes and make controls easier to tap. This can reduce strain and miss clicks, especially on smaller or high DPI monitors. While you are here, consider whether you prefer a cleaner interface or more visible tools. Your choices help Acrobat feel tailored to your habits. Move on to full screen if you present or review documents without distractions. This section is key. You can customize how you navigate between pages. Choose the background color that appears around your PDF and define how Acrobat behaves in full screen mode. Pick colors and transitions that keep content readable and comfortable for your eyes, and set navigation so it matches how you like to move through pages. Then review security and privacy. This is where you adjust options that control how Acrobat handles your information and behavior during use. Take a moment to align these settings with your comfort level and any organizational guidelines, ensuring your documents and viewing activity are handled the way you intend. When you are satisfied with your choices, click OK to apply the changes. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.